That loud, jarring sound that yanks you out of your sleep every morning. Is it just an annoying part of your routine, or is it silently damaging your brain? Could your alarm clock be making you more tired, stressed, and less productive throughout the day? Let's break down the science. To understand how alarm clocks affect your brain, let's first look at how sleep works. Your body follows a natural biological clock called a circadian rhythm, a 24-hour cycle that regulates when you feel awake and when you feel sleepy. During sleep, your brain goes through different stages. Light sleep, stages 1 and 2. Your body starts relaxing, but you're still easily woken up. Deep sleep, stages 3 and 4. Your brain repairs itself, strengthens memory, and releases growth hormones. REM sleep, rapid eye movement. This is when dreams happen and your brain processes emotions and learning. Now, here's the problem. If your alarm clock wakes you up in the wrong stage of sleep, especially deep sleep or REM, it can leave you feeling exhausted, groggy, and mentally slow. So, what exactly happens when your alarm clock jolts you awake every morning? Let's go through the 3 biggest ways it could be ruining your brain. Risk number 1, alarm shock, the stress hormone spike. That sudden loud sound triggers your body's fight or flight response. Your brain sees the alarm as an emergency, releasing a rush of cortisol and adrenaline, stress hormones that raise your heart rate and blood pressure. This is why you sometimes feel a mini heart attack when your alarm suddenly blasts in the morning. Over time, repeatedly waking up this way trains your body to wake up stressed, making you feel anxious and drained before your day even starts. Risk number 2, the snooze button makes you more tired. Think hitting the snooze button gives you more rest? Think again. Each time you press snooze, your brain tries to re-enter sleep, but before it can reach deep sleep again, BM, the alarm goes off, jolting you awake again. This cycle confuses your brain and leads to something called sleep inertia, a state where you feel foggy, sluggish, and disoriented for hours after waking up. If you constantly feel tired even after a full night's sleep, your alarm clock and snooze button could be to blame. Risk number 3, disrupting your natural wake-up cycle. Your body naturally prepares to wake up by gradually increasing body temperature and hormone levels before morning. But a loud alarm clock can interrupt this process and leave you feeling completely out of sync. Waking up naturally without an alarm leaves you feeling refreshed and alert, but waking up suddenly can throw off your entire day. So, should you throw away your alarm clock and risk being late every day? Not necessarily. But here are some smart ways to wake up without damaging your brain. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. This strengthens your body's natural wake-up cycle. Use a sunrise alarm clock. Gradually increases light before waking you up, mimicking natural daylight. Set a softer alarm tone. Avoid loud, shocking alarms. Opt for gentle sounds or vibrations. Move your alarm across the room. Forces you to get out of bed and wake up fully. Skip the snooze button. Train yourself to wake up on the first alarm. With these small changes, you can wake up feeling more refreshed, more focused, and ready to tackle the day. So, is your alarm clock ruining your brain? The answer is yes, if it's waking you up in a stressful, unnatural way. But by waking up more gradually, avoiding snooze, and letting your body follow its natural cycle, you can start your mornings feeling energized instead of exhausted. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Snap for more science-backed facts on the world around you.